Hi everybody and welcome back to Rachel
and Ruby,
the Scratch Queens. Today we found some new cards. We found the Snack Stack, which is basically Golden Fever. I think that's what it was called. So all you do on this one, scratch your numbers there to find them there, get all four, win the prize. The odds are 1 in 3.49. And a player can win 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 5,000 and a million. That is really cack.
I like the million.
No, I meant, where's all the... There's no hundreds.
If you get 2 wins and get 50 both times.
No, you can't win 100. This is all you can win.
That's rubbish.
7 prizes. That's cat. All win. You'll just... bring back lottery, I say. Anyway, so yeah, that's the khaki prizes. And a player can win 5 times on a ticket.
Owen's lame. Wait, what's his name?
Owen. That's the name that's taken over.
Yeah, I keep thinking it's Owen.
You should be able to see that fine. So our first number is 30. Oh, this is really awkward to hold because my nails are longer. That is, looks like some bread. Yep, that's £30. I might have to use that. 25. Oh yeah, that's better. That is some rice.
I thought so, but you can't really tell.
23. Carrots.
Yeah, I didn't see the name of it.
17.
Which one's that? Hang on, that might be, what did that say?
I think it's that.
Oh, I think it's
The
good.
salad. 36. You'd have to put bullseye on.
Yep.
Where is it? Oh, it's blank.
Oh, how rude.
Number 4.
Hang on, let me see what that one is.
Can you come out the light, please?
Yep, hang on a minute.
34.
Actually, I think that 17 might be
Number 9.
the sushi.
Oh, that looked like money bags to me. 26.
Wait, where?
Is another rice.
Wait, what's money bag?
No, there isn't money bags, but that's what it looked like. Number 6. I think we're bouncing around too much. 29.
Oh, yeah, I understand the point of this game now. Ow.
You just got to get all 4. Like, we need 35 and then we'll win whatever that is.
That one is the sushi.
That's the wrap.
Ow.
So if we get 35, we've... Oh, excuse me, £15.
So
21.
So it's 2100.
That's the second carrot.
Carrot day.
Number 8. There's another sushi.
No.
Yes.
We're
Well, we know we
30.
ain't getting that. Legs 11.
Wait, I thought sushi was that one.
That's sushi.
Oh, what's the middle one then?
That's salad. It says it there. I was right.
What is it? Oh.
24. Ooh, we need one more for
22.
5G. But guess what we ain't gonna get?
5G?
Yeah,
Don't you
carrot.
mean 10?
No, yeah, ignore me. Carrots is a tenner. Number 7.
Settle.
Now we need one for 5G.
And we ain't gonna get it.
28.
Camelot don't like us.
It's not Camelot, it's all
Oh my God, I'm stupid.
Last 2. We've got 14.
Yeah, it's our first one from there. That's.
And the last one is 13.
Which one is that?
That's a wrap.
Oh, is it?
So no win on the first one. On to the second. You can have your dinner when we've done this, okay?
Yeah, hip hip, hooray!
30.
Dislocate my armies.
These won't take as long as what the cash word did.
Yeah, take like half.
Number 2.
About a fifth of the time.
Can you just lean over and make sure I am recording? 17.
Yep.
27.
Like
Oh, I've just realised they're little tables. Tables and chairs. I'm easily pleased.
I knew that there was
19.
the cutlery next to them, but I
Right,
didn't know
what's
that.
19? And then what's that? I think that's the wrap.
No, that's the sushi.
No, it's not.
Oh, is it not?
26.
No, actually, that might be the taco.
No, it's the wrap.
Oh, is it?
36.
Oh, yeah, it is.
12. Stop coughing like that. Either cough properly or not at all.
That good.
Number 8.
Is there fries on this one? Yes, here. Go
Is
on,
there?
fries.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the million. Come on, fries.
21. No, we're bouncing around too many times.
We're going to get one from game 4.
Number 5.
Halfway there.
That's sushi.
Game.
13. Number 4.
Ow!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I pinched
We need
myself.
6. Number 6 for £50.
I never knew such a little thing would hurt so much.
35. What?
Pinch myself. Like,
Oh.
even like that, and then move it in.
28.
Pinch me.
Or we need 25.
Yeah, we
6
ain't
or
gonna
25. Did you just hear him squeal?
Yeah, like,
Sorry if you heard that. That's Adam. He's gaming. 29.
take off the ming, and that's what he is.
Last 2.
He is, though.
Number 3. I bet if we get anything, we'll get 1.
No.
So we need 1,
It's
6,
gonna get
25, 32.
33 or 15.
Okay, it's number 10. Oh dear. 2 for 2 on the losers.
So, if we
Oh,
lose
my
in the
back
next
is
2,
hurting.
then we've lost the odds.
Well, the odds are in the overall pack.
Oh.
36.
This thing is
10.
flipping Punzel now. I don't even know why.
13. I don't know.
I haven't even watched that in ages.
Number 1. Oh, we get number 1 now, look.
Looks like number 1.
31.
No, number 1 is carrots.
Is it?
Yep.
29.
I mean, game 1 is carrots.
Is an apple.
Why does that look like a peach?
26. I don't know.
That's fries.
Number 6. No, again, we're bouncing around too much. 20.
We're gonna get one from game 6.
Number 5.
Ooh, is
Soup. It's £1 million.
sort of.
Number 4.
Imagine if we get that. I very
carrots,
much
that
highly doubt
is.
that, but if we do,
12.
I'm gonna flip and cry.
I was just about to say I haven't seen pizza. Did you hear him squeal again?
Yeah. I haven't seen salad,
Ooh, we need 30.
but it's only gonna be for £20. That's not too bad.
Only 18.
Wrap. No taco.
22.
Ow.
Will you stop?
I can't help it. My wrist needs
14.
My arm feels like it needs to crack, but it won't crack. So there's no point.
17. So what do we need? 30 or 19?
Yeah.
28.
24.
Last 2. 11.
Or 9. Okay, it's gonna be 2.
34. God, what on earth is happening?
Mm.
So again, nothing. At this rate, I'm going to stop playing scratch cards because this is bloody ridiculous.
If you can't stop playing scratch cards, we're gonna lose all our subscribers.
18. See, the wins, they're just not there. And when they are, the prizes are absolutely pants.
Rubbish.
26.
How old do you have to be to start like making videos on TikTok?
I don't know. 15.
Well, we're definitely old enough because together we're Be fair, no clue. Too late.
29. Who are you talking to?
I think he's talking to the
Andy?
He's on the phone, I think.
36. Number 6. Oh, he's on the phone.
Yeah.
Legs 11.
Yeah. Why are you doing it like that? You
19.
usually go down.
22. Not holding out any hope. 32. 17. 10. Oh, got an itch. 13. No. Yes. Well, when I've done this video, I'm going to have 28, a nice hot bath.
It's the only thing that's going on with that construction thing.
21.
He's getting a bigger shed.
No, it's not a shed. 23.
Oh, is it not? Is it the
3
house?
left.
Oh, I don't know.
30. How much is the bread? A tenner.
5.
I thought we needed that then, but we didn't.
You.
We need 20, 24, 27, 31.
It's going to be 14 or
And
3.
the
No, it's going
last-
to be one of number 1.
Oh, can it be 20, 24
27.
or 27? Yay!
We have
a win! Let's just double check. So
It's
that should be
only for
25,
5.
26, 27, 28. 25, 26, 27, 28. All that for a measly £5. But
still
at
got
least
one
we've
left.
got one win, I suppose. Last,
only-
ow,
in
that's the
odds.
chair cracking. Last card for the session. 31.
32, 33, 34.
Oh, that's cheese.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 17.
Of course it is.
Oh, look, there's knife and fork on the table as well.
That's what I said. No, it's a spoon. It isn't a knife. I mean, it isn't a fork.
That is a fork, you plank.
That's a spoon. You know.
12. Number 2.
No, it's a spoon, Mum. It goes a spoon on this side,
22.
and then a knife and fork on that side. Oh, perfect bullseye.
23. What's that? Oh, come on, give me a 20 quid win and I'll be happy. Number 6. Legs 11. What's that? Soup? Yeah, we ain't getting that. 14.
14.
This is the last video anyway, card, and then you can have some dinner.
Yay.
24.
You could have just said last video. Last both.
Last row. 19.
We need 21, yeah, baby. 9 or 10.
30. Sorry about Adam, everybody. Number 7. This is what happens when he games.
70.
10. Oh yeah, look at that tease. 35.
If we get the 5, then I
We're not-
swear
oh.
to God. I mean, no. If we get
20.
the 9, then I swear to God I'm
We
going to
won't.
scream. No, I will scream though if we do. Ah, my foot.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Number 3.
On du toi. It's toi.
16.
On du toi, car sexy, c'est good. These orange juice, today's kettles.
25. Oh, for goodness sake.
Except.
So we need 9, 18 or 21. No. 32. Well, that was rather crap.
Warmy language, please.
So we had a £20. No, we didn't. Oh. We had a £25 layout and we got all 4 for the wrap there for £5. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you've liked what you've just watched, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. And if you leave a comment, we will get back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.